I'm Ankita this side. So today we want to share our journey of virtuebaby and our labor with you. So we met Dr. Nitika during our second month of pregnancy, and when I met her, I was so stressed, and she told me about the affirmations and meditation things, and truly I followed her as she told. The affirmations are very, very, very helpful, guys. And during labor also, it helped us a lot. We did our affirmations, meditations during labor, and I tell you that my journey was divine, and my husband also supported me a lot in this journey. And then we came to know about Lamaze and hypnobirthing classes also through ma'am, and we attended their 2 sessions only. And then I think my husband can share more on that because he was my support person. So you can share. Yeah.
Hi guys, about Lamaze and hypnobirthing, I would say it will change the whole journey altogether to a different path. It will make the final divide moment very easy for the person, and the major role is of support person to make that journey beautiful and smooth, because at that time the person who is in labor, that would be in position to not to think anything, but a support person can help her to remind those things which about which you are aware through different sessions which we attended, and follow those techniques at the time when it is needed. It is very helpful, guys. Please follow with trust. All these things, one thing I would like to add, all these things would work when you will follow with trust. So put your trust in it,
and you will get your virtue baby like we get our. Say hi.